Just go through this question. Following are the purchases and sales in the month of December 2014. Prepare store's ledger, that is stock register, on the basis of FIFO and weighted average. Okay, fine. Perpetual method means continuous. So that is what it is by default. Yeah. So date is given, purchases, rate, sales दिया है. Fine. ठीक है. Only the highlight of the sum is this, the one which I have marked in yellow, highlighted in yellow. Out of purchases on 5th December, 100 units were returned to the supplier on 8th December. Okay, so here are 5th December. So there was purchase. So obviously, अगर 8 तारीख को ये रिटर्न हुआ है तो ये परचेज रिटर्न. ठीक है, क्लियर? हाँ, ओके. अभी yeah. Now, is this part clear? And they have said calculate weighted average rate up to 2 decimals. So they have told you to calculate up to 2 decimals. See, even if you go to 4 decimals, it's not, it will give you more accuracy in answer. Correct? Na? Yeah. So it doesn't mean if you go up to 2 decimals, answer will be wrong. It's nothing like that. Okay. But for accuracy purpose, I tell you to go up to 4 decimals. क्या होता है ना, लास्ट में जब आप COGS के साथ ये COGS निकालते हो अंडर वेटेड एवरेज मेथड, तो लास्ट में फिर वो 2-3 जो भी है 4-5-10 रुपए का वो डिफरेंस नहीं आता है. ओके, ओनली टू अवॉइड दैट आई एम डूइंग इट. ओके, स्टार्ट विद मेक अ स्टॉक रजिस्टर, date, receipts, issues, balances and remark column. So let us start with 1st December. Yeah, in this sum there is no opening stock. Okay. There is no opening stock in the question. You can see that. Yeah, it's okay. It's very okay. जरूरी opening stock हो नहीं होगा. कोई unsold stock है ही नहीं last month का, इसलिए there is no opening stock. ठीक है? Yeah. So quantity purchased 1200. Rate is 4. So amount is multiply. You will get the answer. 1200 into 4, 4800. Okay. Then take it in the balance column. Okay. Remark में लिखो purchases. Next, 4th go, there is a sale. So we are doing weighted FIFO, first in, first out. Okay, first in, first out. First in, first out. So I will give away from this. Okay, what is the rate? 4. Multiply 600 into 4, 2004. Whenever there is a sale, quantity will be reduced. So I will subtract. So 1200 minus 600 is 100 in the balance column. In the go down on 4th December evening, I will have closing stock as 600. Okay. So balance column indicates closing stock for that date. Okay. Next. Remark में रहेगा sales. Next, on 5th, there is a purchase, 600 units for 3.8. 600 into 3.8, 2280. Okay. then write it in the balance column. जो पहले खरीदा था उसको ऊपर रखना है. Okay, this closing becomes opening. और जो बाद में खरीदा that will be down. Okay, purchases. Now, in the question, after 5th they have given 10th का date, बराबर? But नीचे they have said कि 8th को there is a return. Correct ना? तो 5th और 10th के बीच में 8th December is the date. So I'm going to put that date. Okay, 8th December. Okay. Now students, carefully listen about this particular transaction. 8th December को there is a purchase return, as I explained you earlier. And purchase return out of which date? That also the question has given. It is a purchase return out of 5th December का purchases. ऐसे तो हमारे पास 1st December को भी purchases है, बराबर ना? But question ने specifically बोला है कि 8 तारीख को जो purchase return हुआ है वो 5 तारीख के purchases का है. ठीक है, तो 5 तारीख को रेट क्या था, किस रेट पे आपने लिया था? यू हैड टेकन इट ऑन विच रेट? 3.8. सो योर रिटर्न्स विल बी आल्सो एट द सेम रेट. ओके, ठीक है. सो योर रेट इज 3.8 एंड नाउ सी द बैलेंस कॉलम. 600 बराबर. ये ऊपर रहेगा ना, बिकॉज वो फर्स्ट था. और जो आपका जो स्टॉक गया है that is gone from this one 3.8, मतलब this. So 600 minus 100 is how much? 500. Okay, so 100 into 3.8, 380. 500 into 500 into 3.8, 1900. Okay, clear? Acknowledge it in the chat box. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड ना? इसमें एक ट्विस्ट है, वो मैं बताती हूँ. Suppose in the question paper they tell you 8 December 100 units return. I repeat, they tell you in the question 8 December 100 units return. ठीक है, so 5th December को क्या हुआ है? Purchase हुआ. After 3 days there is a return of what? 8th December. ठीक है, how many units? 100 units. ठीक है. In the question what it is given, they have said it is out of 5th December का purchases, there is a return of 100 units on 8th December. But suppose अगर एग्जाम में वो लोग डेट ना दे आपको और सीधा बोले 8 December 100 units return, कुछ नहीं बोला है कहाँ से रिटर्न हुआ है, उससे एक दिन पहले आपने क्या किया है? आपने परचेज किया है, तो डेफिनेटली वो परचेज रिटर्न ही है ना. अंडरस्टूड? अगर बीच में सेल्स का आइटम होता और रिटर्न्स बोला होता तो वो सेल्स रिटर्न. बट बीच में कोई ट्रांजैक्शन ही नहीं है, परचेज के बाद सीधा 8 तारीख को हुआ है, रिटर्न्स हुआ है, मतलब इट इज अ परचेज रिटर्न. ओके, बट कौन सा परचेज रिटर्न है? 1 तारीख का है कि 5 तारीख का है? सपोज ये एग्जाम में नहीं दिया है, जैसे यहाँ दिया है, सपोज अगर नहीं दिया है, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, यू नो, Then you will have to treat purchase return. You write in which column? We write purchase return in the sales column. Sales column indicates what? Outgoing of goods. I have always told you this. The concept is incoming and outgoing of goods as per AS2 in the stock register. So when you write in the purchase column, sorry, you write in the sales column. So what will you do? You will write 100 और ये जो रेट होगा ना फिर अभी आप इधर फीफो अप्लाई करोगे व्हाई बिकॉज यू आर राइटिंग इन द सेल्स कॉलम तो सेल्स कॉलम में हाउ डू यू ट्रीट स्टॉक यू ट्रीट गुड्स एज फीफो और वेटेड एवरेज करेक्ट हाँ सो अगर डेट नहीं होता ना इन केस इस सब में डेट नहीं होता तो फिर ये 100 यूनिट्स है ना ये 3.8 पे नहीं जाता ये 4 पे जाता बिकॉज फीफो से इज व्हाट फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट okay so this would have been 4 rupees and not 3.8 that's the difference understood yeah exam may you have to keep all these minute details in mind is this clear acknowledge it in the chat box because the dates are mentioned because the dates are mentioned so we know it is 3.8 wala return okay in case of absence of information where the date is not mentioned purchase return is recorded in the sales column so you have to treat it like sales so it's a FIFO method so I would have taken 4 means 1st December को जो तुमने खरीदा था वो 4 का रेट का था समझा ठीक है ना okay so there are two concepts to this there are two views about this okay date दिया है तो बात ही खत्म तुम्हें पता है भाई उसको डेट नहीं दिया है तो FIFO और many textbooks if you see many books any reference book also you are referring now some people take 4 they would take 4 the text is FIFO okay and some would still take 3.8 only why because परचेज हुआ है 5 को उसके बीच में कोई ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं हुआ है इश्यूज नहीं हुआ है कुछ नहीं हुआ है so it is purchase return only so the assumption is that the recent purchase return हो रहा है the recent purchase में से returns हो रहा है okay so there are two views to this okay 4 or either 3.8 when the dates are not good डेट दिया तो बात ही खत्म तो जो डेट है वो उस पे जो रेट है वही आपको कंसीडर करना ओके दिस इज द ट्विस्ट इन द क्वेश्चन नेक्स्ट 10th को नाउ इट्स इजी 10th को देयर इज अ व्हाट सेल या okay what you will consider first in first out right 10th को there is a sale of how many units 400 units ठीक है first in first out yeah note it down first in first out first in first out okay rate is 400 into 4 1600 balance quantity column subtract 600 minus 400 is 200 okay reason may write down sales again on 18th there is a purchase 400 units for 4.2 1680 ठीक है, एंड देन यू नो राइट, या पहले वाला स्टॉक पहले रखोगे राइट, ये रहा 200, देन 500, और जो ये नया खरीदा वो नीचे, बराबर। This closing becomes your opening. That also. Fees and purchases. Then 23rd को there is a sale of 800 units. ठीक है, so we are following FIFO. हमें कितना बेचना है, 800 units. Okay, so पहले 200 units, right? Rate is 4. So this stock will become 0. 200 minus 200, 0. तो stock खत्म हो गया. Okay, then first in first out. Next 500 units, कितना बेचना है, 800 ना, 200 दे दिया और नेक्स्ट 500 दे दो, तो कितना हो गया 700. बैलेंस कितना बाकी है, 800 माइनस 700, 100. तो ये वाला गुड्स भी चला गया 0. And then from here I will give away the balance 100. Okay, sale is happening, so quantity will be minus. 400 minus 100 is 300. So 300 into 4.2 is 1260 sales. And again there is a purchase on 29th, 800 units, 4.4 का rate, 3520. So this is first, this is the next stock, keep it below. Reason purchases. Then on the last day, 31st December, there is again a sale of 600 units. Same, FIFO, first in first out. First I'll give away this 300. The rate is 4.2. So there is no stock now, 0. 0. 300 minus 300 is 0. So that stock is now confidential. कितना बेचना है, 600. 600 में से already 300 you are given for sales. So balance 300 you will take for this 4.4 value. One three two zero. 800 minus 300 is 500. Okay. Yeah. Sale हुआ है तो quantity will be minus. So 500 is the. Yes, 500 is the. That's it. So December का last date is what, 31st December. ये जो बचा है गोडाउन में वही मेरा closing stock. Right. Calculate COGS also for the same. How do you calculate COGS? Yeah, this amount column, sales का amount column, पूरा total कर दो. Okay, yeah, that will give you COGS. Sales at selling price is COGS. Okay, let me see. 2,400 plus 380 plus 1,600 plus 800 plus 420 plus 1,260 plus 1,320. So my total is 10,080. Okay, my COGS is 10,080. Yeah. Apply the formula, you will get the same answer. Apply the formula. Opening stock not there in the question. Nil. Purchases, तो आपको purchase का पूरा total करना पड़ेगा. So ये रहा मेरा purchases. 1, 2, 3. ठीक है. 4,800 plus 2,280 plus 1,680 plus 3,520. Okay. So 12,280 is my purchases. So write it here. And then subtract the closing stock. How much was closing stock? 2,200. Okay. So write it. So 12,280 minus 2,200 is 10,800. Obviously, this answer has to match with this answer. Correct? Is it clear till here? Is the concept of COGS clear? Use the formula. Also verify the answer. How to verify, you know it. Okay. Now if same sum ka GP is asked without making trading. Listen carefully. This is the formula to calculate GP, sales minus COGS. Okay. So when I take GP, sales is at selling price. But in this sum, sales is not given only. Right? Sales at selling price is not given. So what will I assume? Is sales at cost price 10,080. COGS is 10,080. 0. There is no gross profit. Why? Because sales at selling price is not there in the first one. So selling price minus cost price is profit, right? तुम्हारे पास selling price ही नहीं है, तुम्हारा cost price ही तुम्हारा selling price है, तो फिर zero ही होगा ना? Even if you make a trading account of it, you can cross check the answer. You put the formula, and when you make trading account, also the trading account will tally. Gross profit मिलेगा ही नहीं. See, trading account to opening nil. Then to purchases debit side 12,280. Sales 10,080. Closing stock 2,200. So that ledger tallies. That is no GP, 0. So my answer is correct. Clear? Is this clear? Right? Now moving on to same sum ka weighted average. Still have 8 minutes with us. Yeah, start. Weighted average of this sum. First step will remain same. Purchase 1,200. Then balance column. Okay. Next, there is a sale on 4th. Yeah. So this 4 rupees is my weighted average cost. Barabar na? So I will sell at this cost. Weighted average price. Okay. We are doing what? Weighted average. Weighted average में quantity minus amount minus and then divide. Okay. So 1200 minus 600 is 600. 4800 minus 2400 is 2400. Divide, you will get this rate. So this is my weighted average rate. Reason may write down sales. Same. Fifth co, there is a purchase 600 units. Yeah. Purchase mein what will happen? Quantity increases, right? So quantity add, amount add, and then divide. So 600 plus 600 is 1200. Yeah. Then add the amount. So 2280 plus 2400, 4680. Add the amount and then divide. 4680 divided by 1200. So 3.9. So this is my weighted average cost. Clear? Next, purchase return. Obviously, same logic what you used in P4. It is a return out of 5th December. So rate was 3.8. So I'll give away also 3.8. Okay. Purchase return y. Goods are out from the godown, they are subtract. So 1200 minus 100, 1100. Quantity minus amount minus. 4680 minus 380. 4300. And then divide. So 3.9090, make it 3.9. Okay. So this is my weighted average cost. Next, there is a sale of 400 units. Yeah, I'm doing weighted average. So my weighted average is 3.91. So give away 400 units at 3.91. 1564. Okay. Yeah. Sale हुआ है, quantity will reduce. So quantity minus amount minus. Quantity minus 1100 minus 400 is 700. Amount minus 4300 minus 1564. 2736. Then divide it with 700. So 3.90857, make it 3.91. They have said now go up to 2 decimals. So go up to 3 and round off the third. ऐसा होता है. Okay. Again, there is a purchase on 18th. Okay. Purchase what the quantity add. 700 plus 400 is 1100. Amount add. 2736 plus 1680. 4416. Divide करो. Divide by 1100. 4.01. Okay, yeah, 4.01. Right. Then again there is a sale. So this is my weighted average I just showed you. So give away at that rate. So 800 into 4.01. 3208. Quantity minus 1100 minus 800 is 300. 4416 minus 3208. 3208. So 1208 divided by 300, 4.0266, make it 03. Again, there is a purchase. Quantity add karo, 300 plus 800 is 1100. Add the amount, 3520 plus 1208. Force 3520. No? Yeah. 3520 plus 1208. So 4728. Yeah. Yeah, students, just continue with the same meeting ID, just for 5 minutes. Yeah, continue with the same meeting ID. I just need 5 minutes to complete this sum. Okay? Yeah. Turanta, after this lecture, just continue with the same meeting ID. Okay? So let us continue. Yeah. So 1208 plus 3520 is 4728 divided by 1100. So my answer is 4.298. Make it round off kar do. So 4.30 it comes to 4.30. Yeah. So this is my weighted average cost. Then 31st ko I am selling 600 units. Which rate? Obviously this rate, 4.30. So 600 multiplied with 4.30. So 2580. Right here, 2580. Okay, what have you done? Sales. So sales में क्या होगा? Quantity will be less. So minus करो. So 1100 minus 600 is 500. Subtract the amount also. 4728 minus 2580. So 2148. 2148 divided with 500. 4.296, round off, 4.30. 4.30. Okay, so this is my new, what do you call, weighted average. Yeah. ठीक है, and last में जो बच गया वही मेरा closing stock है, obviously 4.30 and 2148 closing stock. Let us cross check the answer. I have to calculate my COGS. Yeah, 2400 plus 380 plus 1564 plus 3208 plus 2580. Okay, so this comes to 10,132. This total. Okay, yeah. This comes to, this is my COGS, right? COGS is 10,132. Let us cross check with the formula. Okay, COGS is equal to opening stock, which is not there in the sum, nil. Add total purchases. कितना था? You can take the same ही answer आएगा, 12,280 and less closing stock. How much is my closing stock? 2148. Okay, so subtract 12,280 minus 2148. 10,132. Obviously, it has to match. 10,130. Okay, clear with the sum? Everyone clear with the sum? इसका भी अगर आप ग्रॉस प्रॉफिट निकालोगे तो सेम चीज ही होगा, जीरो ही आएगा. ओके, या so gross profit is what? It is sales at selling price but है नहीं अपने पास less COGS. So I'll assume my sales are same 10,132. COGS भी देखो ये, this is sales at, this is my sales column, right? Yeah, sales at cost price is for good. Okay, so COGS is also same, so my obviously gross profit is zero. Okay, सेम थिंग आप ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बना के भी चेक कर सकते हो. या टू ओपनिंग स्टॉक नॉट देयर, आई मीन नील. देन टू purchases are almost 12,280. Then buy sales, but it is not at selling price but cost price, so 10,132. And buy closing stock is how much? 2,142. So obviously it will tally. See, so this tallies 4,280. मतलब there is no gross profit. ठीक है, clear? Everyone clear with the sum? Yeah. So next lecture, some new concepts, some new type of sums.